From being an ordinary boy born by Elon Musk on June 28, 1971 in Pretoria, Transvaal, South Africa, to becoming a billionaire and one of the world's most respected entrepreneurs, Elon Musk definitely has some secrets that made him hugely successful. But wait, why are some people very successful in life when most other people fail? It must be because successful people know, think, and do certain things which other people don't. Welcome to the Secrets of Success, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. In this video, we bring to you Elon Musk's 7 secrets of success. By secrets, we mean what he knows, thinks, and does that makes him very successful. Try to watch to the end of this video because secret number 7 can change your life completely if you are planning to be an entrepreneur. Secret number 1. Readers rule the world. During his childhood, Musk was an avid reader. At age 10, he developed an interest in computing with the Commodore VIC-20. He taught himself computer programming at the age of 12. Sold the code of a basic-based video game he created called Blaster to a magazine called PC and Office Technology for approximately $500. Musk's childhood reading included Isaac Asimov's Foundation series, from which he drew the lesson that you should try to take the set of actions that are likely to prolong civilization, minimize the probability of a dark age, and reduce the length of a dark age if there is one. Curiosity is the name of the road that leads to success. The more curious you are, the more successful you can become. Anthony Robbins calls this hunger. Just as hungry people look for food, people who are hungry for knowledge read good books which others don't. Because these people search for knowledge, they are able to know what most other people in the world don't. If you know what most people don't, you can achieve what they can't. Secret number 2. Dream big, for dreams come true. If there is anything, the name Elon Musk is synonymous with crazy dreams. In 2001, Musk conceptualized Mars Oasis, a project to land a miniature experimental greenhouse on Mars, containing food crops growing on Martian regolith in an attempt to regain public interest in space exploration. Musk has envisioned a high-speed transportation system known as the Hyperloop and has proposed a vertical takeoff and landing supersonic jet electric aircraft with electric fan propulsion known as the Musk Electric Jet. Musk has stated that the goals of SpaceX, Tesla, and Solar City revolve around his vision to change the world and humanity. His goals include reducing global warming through sustainable energy production and consumption and reducing the risk of human extinction by establishing a human colony on Mars. For most people in our world today, their dreams is to eat, drink, have some cars and homes. To be successful in life, you have to dream unusually big. As Steve Jobs said, people who are crazy enough to believe they can change the world are those who do. Secret number 3. Entrepreneurship is a journey. Know when to move on. Compaq acquired Zip2 for $307 million in cash and $34 million in stock options in February 1999. Musk received $22 million for his 7% share from the sale. In March 1999, Musk co-founded X.com, an online financial service and email payment company with $10 million from the sale of Zip2. 1 year later, the company merged with Confinity, which had a money transfer service called PayPal. In October 2002, PayPal was acquired by eBay for $1.5 billion in stock, of which Musk received $165 million. Before its sale, Musk, who was the company's largest shareholder, owned 11.7% of PayPal's shares. If you're an entrepreneur, you must know when to move on. Life of an entrepreneur is more or less like an experiment and adventures. Looking, searching, selling, and moving on to the next big thing is part of the journey. Don't be emotionally attached to your business. It's a game after all. Secret number 4. Give back. Make the world a better place. Musk is chairman of the Musk Foundation, which focuses its philanthropic efforts on providing solar power energy systems in disaster areas. In 2010, the Musk Foundation collaborated with Solar City to donate a 25 kW solar power system to the South Bay Community Alliance's Hurricane Response Center in Coden, Alabama. In July 2011, the Musk Foundation donated $250,000 towards a solar power project in Soma, Japan, a city that had been recently devastated by a tsunami. Making money can make you happy at the beginning of your wealth creation process. However, after you have more than enough, giving is the only thing that makes you happy. Aside this, giving is the secret of having. A part of you believes you're rich if you give. Even if you're not rich yet, giving makes your mind believe that you are, and then look for ways to be rich. Secret number 5. Don't play your game like everyone. In 2014, Musk announced that Tesla would allow its technology patents to be used by anyone in good faith in a bid to entice automobile manufacturers to speed up development of electric cars. The unfortunate reality in electric car programs, or programs for any vehicle that doesn't burn hydrocarbons at the major manufacturers, are small to non-existent, constituting an average of far less than 1% of their total vehicle sales, Musk said. Musk has favored building a sub $30,000 compact Tesla model and building and selling electric vehicle powertrain components so that other automakers can produce electric vehicles at affordable prices without having to develop products in-house. This led to the Model 3 that is planned to have a base price of $35,000. Several mainstream publications have compared him with Henry Ford for his work on advanced vehicle powertrains. Elon Musk's unusual generosity could be likened to that of Henry Ford, the man who changed the existing industrial games by changing the world and making life better for his employees, unlike the earlier industrialist. Secret number 6. Take responsibility for the world's problems. Elon Musk's goal is to reduce the cost of human spaceflight by a factor of 10. In a 2011 interview, Musk said he hopes to send humans to Mars's surface within 10 to 20 years. In Ashley Vance's biography, Musk stated that he wants to establish a Mars colony by 2040 with a population of 80,000. Musk stated that since Mars's atmosphere lacks oxygen, all transportation would have to be electric cars, electric trains, hyperloop, and electric aircraft. Musk stated in June 2016 of the Larger Mars Colony Transporter (MCT) spacecraft is aimed for departure to the Red Planet in 2022, to be followed by the first manned MCT Mars flight departing in 2024. People who take responsibility are those who become successful. Your life's mission should be to take responsibility for the betterment of the world around you. If you don't do it, who will? Secret number 7. Nobody will believe in you until you do. Musk initially found it impossible to get funding for SpaceX, which investors saw as a pipe dream. Musk channeled all his own money into the company to make SpaceX a reality, going against every piece of business advice ever written. We've seen a lot of people trying to get other people to believe their dreams, even though they themselves have not taken any significant risk to prove that they believe in themselves. Sorry, no one will believe in you until you do. You want to start a business, an organization, or a movement? Nobody will believe in you. Nobody will support your vision. Nobody will see what you're seeing until you can take the initial risk. Now, let's discuss. Which of the above lesson from Musk's life makes more sense to you? What other thing do you learn from Elon Musk that are not mentioned in this video? Which other successful person would you like us to make a video about? Kindly drop your comment. If you love this video, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share it with your friends on social media. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, subscribe now and turn on the notification, because we'll help you to discover secrets of success from the world's best books and great people. We love you.